Hey guys, quick how-to. Window switch on your new Beetle not working? Let's put a new one in there. Alright, here's our switch. Clips are on the bottom, needs to come out and up. Alright, so you've got your switch here. If you look at mine, that passenger window switch is broken, not working. Flathead screwdriver under the bottom, a little bit of pull out, the whole thing will drop down slightly, and there you go. Two plugs to take apart. Super easy. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. You got the one tab here. This one has a tab on the inside right in there. So take out the brown one first. And then take out the black one. That's all there is to it. Take that switch, throw it in the floor. Grab your new one. Plugs look the same. Black one goes in on this side. Brown one goes back in on the left. Man, doing this one-handed. Poke your wires back in. Poke your wires back in. If you look, you've got that little knob or little piece right there. That needs to hook in right behind here. You get that up in there. Gonna wiggle that just a little bit to get that piece back in. It'll line up. A little bit of force and whew. Kind of a hard snap on that one. Window switch is in. Now let's make sure it works. Keys in the car. That's good. Oh, the other one doesn't work. What did we do wrong? Alright, so helpful tip. When you're doing this, especially one-handed, make sure you get that clicked in all the way. I did not get the passenger side clicked in all the way. It did not click. There we go. Now we've got both of them clicked in. Put that back up in. Sorry. Both of them clicked in. Good and tight. There, snaps in. Now let's double check to make sure it works. Window's fine, and the passenger window is good. All right. Yeah, make sure you get that wire connection plugged in good. Otherwise, you're sitting here confused. Simple window switch, simple change. And it's that simple. It literally just takes a few minutes and a flathead screwdriver. That's all you gotta do. Little pull from the bottom, pops right out, unplug. Make sure you get them to click back in. I had the issue with that. Passenger window wasn't working. That was a switch that was broken. I was starting to get confused. Not a problem. Just make sure it's clicked in good. Hope you learned something. I'll see you next time.